There are common questions and misconceptions when it comes to geothermal heating and cooling technology. It's important to first understand that geothermal technology improves every year. This means costs decrease while increasing reliability and efficiency. Who knows, by the time you're watching this video, there might already be new innovations and improvements. Here are some other frequently asked questions. Do geothermal technology systems only work for heating? Geothermal systems are extremely efficient for cooling. While conventional air conditioners remove heat from inside the house and reject it into the hot outside air, geothermal heat pumps remove the heat from the house and reject it into the relatively cool earth. Do geothermal technology systems use electricity and water? How much? Geothermal systems use only 1 unit of electricity to move up to 5 units of cooling or heating from the ground to your home or building. In fact, a study was conducted by the United States National Renewable Energy Laboratory which concluded that geothermal energy is more efficient and cost-effective than conventional residential systems. Closed-loop systems use no water and open-loop systems are only used where there is adequate water supply. The EPA conducted a study on energy efficiency and concluded geothermal energy is the most environmentally friendly heating and cooling system available. Do I need a lot of real estate to install enough earth loops? You actually don't need as much real estate as you might think. Not only can ground loops be installed horizontally, they can go vertically into the ground as well. This means very little ground surface area is needed. Your qualified contractor should be able to advise you on your best options. How quiet are geothermal heat pumps? Noise issues associated with geothermal systems may have been true in earlier generations of equipment, but today, properly designed systems are extremely quiet. Most homeowners can't tell the difference between the sound levels of geothermal and conventional equipment. An added benefit is that there is no equipment outside to disturb you or your neighbors. How long before geothermal technology systems wear out? The earth loops themselves can last for generations. The material is specifically designed for underground use and not exposed to the elements. The heat pump itself is indoors and also not exposed to the extreme conditions and elements outside, helping it last for decades. Geothermal units generally last longer than conventional equipment, and when you do need to replace system components, the cost is about the same as replacing other heating and cooling systems and substantially less than the original installation. Can a geothermal system heat my home, pool, and water at the same time? Yes! Contrary to what many believe, geothermal systems can be designed to handle multiple loads simultaneously. Is geothermal technology only affordable with financial incentives like tax rebates? When considering the cost of a geothermal system or a conventional, there are upfront costs and operating costs. Upfront costs are less with a conventional system, but the long-term costs are typically higher than a geothermal system when operating costs are considered. In fact, when added into a mortgage, the combined cost of the geothermal system and the operating costs are less than the combined costs of a conventional system and the operating costs, giving you extra spending money at the end of the month. Again, a qualified contractor will be able to help you understand costs and savings. Are you ready to go Geo? If so, feel free to visit our website and search our partner directory for a free consultation and quote from a contractor in your area.